Observe the fountains. They appear to be dancing.
A remarkable display of energy.
Desert where the shadows grow, a flash of light, a secret show. 1945, the atom's birth cry. Nevada skies lit up the night. They came from the stars, drawn to our flame. The mob and the aliens played a high-stakes game. Beneath the neon glow and the gambler's hand, the cosmic tale unfolded in the sand. Secrets in the sky, echoes underground, aliens and mobsters where the truth is bound. Las Vegas lights, they shine so bright, hiding the mysteries of the desert night. Bugsy built his dream on a gambler's wish, while saucers hovered, their engines hissed. The test site roared, the world held its breath as radiation danced with the specter of death. Frank Rosenthal, the casino's king, while the UFOs hummed the truth's ring. In the shadows of power where the deals were made, the cosmos watched as fortune swayed. Secrets in the sky, echoes underground, aliens and mobsters where the truth is bound. Las Vegas lights, they shine so bright, hiding the mysteries of the desert night. strip's bright flare. The desert holds tales of the strange and rare. The mob ruled the tables, the skies held the rest. An unlikely dance in the Wild West. Extraterrestrial whispers, the slot machines chime. Two worlds colliding in the sands of time. The truth is out there, hidden in plain sight, where the mob and the stars share the Vegas night. Secrets in the sky, echoes underground, aliens and mobsters, where the truth is bound. Las Vegas lights, they shine so bright, hiding the mysteries of the desert night.